Hi there friends, today we are going to hit apply this shirt that I got from Todos, and I'm going to be applying this heat transfer that I got from Transfer Express. This is ultra soft, and we're going to set up our heat press at 290 for 12 to 15 seconds. Since the t-shirt that I'm heat applying is 100% cotton, I'm gonna put it for 15 seconds, medium pressure. Okay, so this is a cool peel. So we are going to start by threading our t-shirt. So I got my 15 by 15 pattern. And in the previous video, I forgot to press the first time to remove the moisture and the wrinkles. So I threaded my shirt and I want it to be centered. So right there, I believe it's centered. Let me check right here. Then we're gonna grab it from our corners and we are going to just pull it down. We wanna have a flat surface. You want the color to be down so we don't have anything in the way that is going to interfere with a transfer. I believe this is good. So I'm going to test my pressure. I think it's too hard. So I'm going to rotate 2 times. And this is better. And I'm going to position my design while I wait. And you want it to be like 3 or 4 fingers. So I will want it. So the other thing is, like, you want to make sure that it's centered. So we want to fold the design in half. And we want to mark the corners. I mean the center, just the plastic. We are going to center. And we want to just try to, so we want to kind of center it with the tag. And it looks pretty straight. So we are going to go ahead and hit apply it for 15 seconds. And this time we want to, every time you hit apply ultra soft, you want to have a cover sheet. So that should be good. So we're gonna hit apply for 15 seconds. It's ready. So for this one, it's a cool peel. So we can just take it out. So we just gotta wait a little bit. So I'm just gonna leave it in the platform for a little bit. The faster way to cool it down is to go to a table or to a window. So we are going to go ahead and peel it off and see how it go. Oh, look at it. It's coming really good. I love it.
That's gorgeous.
That's my husband talking. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's really cool. The feel is just like really soft. I just love the feeling. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.